Programming the RT510RF thermostat. This video will show you how to set the time, date and heating schedules. Slide down the front cover to reveal the Select and Set buttons. Press and hold the Select and Set buttons at the same time until the clock format appears. Use the arrow buttons to choose the 12 or 24-hour clock format. Press Select to confirm. Press the arrow buttons to select the correct hour. Press Select to confirm. Press the arrow buttons to select the correct minutes. Press Select to confirm. Using the arrow buttons, you can now select the day. Press Set to confirm. The time and day are now set. There are two scheduling options available for this unit. 5 and 2 is the most common setting and reflects the standard working week of 5 days and then the 2 days of the weekend. The other option is the 24-hour setting, where you program the 7 days of the week individually. To determine how your unit is currently programmed, press the Set button. If the unit displays Monday to Friday, it is in the 5 and 2 setting. If it displays Monday, it is in the 24-hour setting. If you want to change the scheduling options, loosen the fixing screws on the underside and remove the unit from the wall bracket. This is 5 and 2, and this is 24 hours. The heating schedule is basically 3 events throughout the day. These are usually morning, lunchtime, and afternoon or evening. Each event has 2 programs. The first is the on-time and temperature. The second is the off-time and temperature. This is an example of a typical heating schedule. At 6 a.m., the current room temperature is 16 degrees. Program 1 is the first on-time and temperature. The temperature is set to 23 degrees, so the thermostat calls for heat from the boiler. The temperature rises until it reaches 23 degrees. Program 2 is the off-time and temperature. At 9 a.m., the minimum temperature required is 16 degrees, so essentially the heating goes off. The next event is lunchtime. Program 3 is the next on-time and temperature, and Program 4 is the next off-time and temperature. The heating comes on at midday until 2 p.m. The last event is afternoon or evening. Program 5 is the next on-time and temperature, and Program 6 is the final off-time and temperature of the day. The heating comes on at 6 p.m. until 10 p.m. Using the 5 and 2 setting, program the working week and the weekend separately. Slide down the front cover to reveal the Select and Set buttons. Press Set. This shows the weekdays, Monday to Friday, flashing on the left-hand side of the display. Press Select to move to the hour that you would like the heating to come on. You can change this by moving the arrow buttons. Press Select to move to the minutes, and then Select again to set the temperature. Using the same procedure, set Program 2, which is the off-time, and repeat this process to program the lunchtime and afternoon or evening schedules. Press Select to move on to the weekend settings and continue programming the morning, lunchtime and afternoon or evening schedules. Press Set once completed. With the 24-hour setting, you can control each day of the week individually. Slide down the front cover to reveal the Select and Set buttons. Press Set. This will show Monday flashing on the left-hand side of the display. Use the arrow buttons to select the day of the week. Press Select to change the hour that you would like the heating to come on. You can change this by moving the arrow buttons. Press Select to move to the minutes, and then press Select again to set the temperature. Using the same procedure, set program 2, which is the off time, and repeat this process to program the lunchtime and afternoon or evening schedules. Repeat the steps above for each day of the week. Press Set once completed.